defeated 2 Alpha Titans.
Who bows to who?
Kong bows to no one.
The world needs Kong.
There's something provoking me into war.
All right, guys. Also, as you know, I am partnered with Dream Giveaway, and I am helping to give away this 2018 Dodge Demon. Now, as you all know, the 2018 Dodge Demon, when it premiered, was the fastest vehicle ever, fastest production vehicle ever. Dodge released it with a quarter-mile time of 9.65 seconds, 2.30 to 60, popping a wheelie. Now, this Dodge Demon, guys, is beautiful. It is black. It is got graphics on the side, beautiful car in and out. This Dodge Demon also, guys, comes with the crate. So you can get the 840 race gas PCM with it. You get your front skinnies. You get, you know, so obviously if you use the front skinnies, you have a second set of rear tires to hit the drag strip with, guys. Beautiful car inside and out. Dodge Demon. Everything you want with this car, guys. This is awesome. This is a car you want to take to the drag strip and have some fun with. So if you use my promo code IncredibleHemi right now, it will double your chances to win the 2018 Dodge Demon with the crate. Let's get your chances in now, guys. All right, guys, what is going on? Today's video, we're going to be talking about the 2024 Charger that they literally just released today, guys. I have horsepower information, quarter mile, 0 to 60 for vehicles. A lot of good information coming out, guys. So stay tuned to the video, and let's get started. All right, guys. So first thing, we're going to talk about the looks of the new Dodge Charger. I don't think it looks that bad. I think it actually looks pretty good. No, I don't think it looks as good as the previous generation Charger, you know, the gas power HELLCAT version, you know, like that. It does not look as good as that. But this thing is going to have some ridiculously good power for the lower level trims also. So let's get started, guys. I'm going to talk about the power levels now. All right, now we're going to talk about the power. Now, like I said, the only downside is this is a full EV vehicle, and we know we are, in my channel, and us Hemi guys, Mopar guys, we love big, loud V8s, but this is an EV. So what this EV has got is, it's got a lot of power. Now, we're going to talk about the RT. The RT is going to come with 496 horsepower. That is a lot. Because, well, the reason it's a lot, it's actually more than the previous Scat Pack, guys. The Scat Pack before had 485. Now, the new Charger RT is going to have 496. 496 horsepower. I think it's at 404 foot-pound of torque from an all-electric 400-watt motor. Now, what's awesome is it is all-wheel drive. So, on the street, the RT is going to be a lot. It's going to be a hard thing to beat in the street. And then you got the Scat Pack, guys. This is the one vehicle that, you know, was awesome as an NA vehicle. And the NA vehicle, you know, when it was a 6.4. Now, it has 670 horsepower, all-wheel drive. The Scat Pack is like basically, well, it's not as fast as the HELLCAT. It's less horsepower than the HELLCAT. It is a lot heavier. From what I think I saw, I think it's like 5,800 pounds of these vehicles. They are very heavy being electric. These electric motors, all-wheel drive, so there's one in the front, one in the rear, are heavy, and the vehicles are huge. So, but all-wheel drive, 670 horsepower on the street, nothing's really going to touch that unless you got another all-wheel drive, very high horsepower car on the street, guys. So that is really awesome. Really good things that we got coming from, you know, if you want an EV. Me, personally, am I going to get an EV? No. I'm not getting an EV anytime soon or anything, but they are just pretty cool, and it's what a lot of people are going for. It's what Dodge is going for. So let's get into the quarter mile and what they run, guys, so we have those numbers also. Now, the biggest downside to these EVs being an EV and all-wheel drive is its top end. The Scat Pack is only limited to 137, and the RT is only limited to 134. Now, guys, these are the top, like when I say EV also with 496 and 670, those are what you're up to. I don't know if they're starting at that, guys, or that's what you can get from, you know, if you go to Dodge and order it with, I guess, all the options and stuff, you could probably get it up to there. Now, quarter mile, they have listed for the EV Charger RT at a 13.1, and they have the Scat Pack listed at 11.5. Both of them times are really good. I think both are going to be faster. I think the Charger is going to be faster with 496. only running a 13.1 with all-wheel drive, but it is a very heavy vehicle. The Scat Pack, I think, is probably going to do closer to 10s. I don't know. All-wheel drive, guys, is a big difference. It can make a big difference, but, you know, they're heavier. So that's the other thing. They're over 1,500 pounds heavier. And like the Teslas are really, really heavy. Tesla truck, all these EVs coming out are very, very heavy, very fast, but very heavy. Also, as of right now, the Scat Pack and the RT are the only models that are available. Are going to be the first 2 models out, but they are going to have an SRT model called the Banshee. Supposedly, it's another all-wheel drive, which basically all EVs, from what I noticed, are all all-wheel drive nowadays. So from it's gonna have it's gonna have an 800 volt battery, I guess. Like I said, I don't know much about the EVs. I'm doing like more of it's research and trying to relay the information to you guys, if you guys know what that means. I do know that the RT and the Scat Pack both have 400 volt engines. This one's gonna have 800 volt. It's gonna be a SRT based, like a Banshee model, so it could be. This thing could run 1,000 horse, who knows? With the Scat Pack being almost 700, 670, SRT Banshee, or whatever they're going to name it, is going to be, who knows, man? It could be 800, 900. Who knows? I mean, is it going to be as high as the Demon 170 at 1,025? Probably not. Could it be? Yes. Because with these electric vehicles, you can make as much power as you need because the EPA is not up your ass about it. That's the only cool thing about the EVs. Is the EPA obviously isn't up your ass about it, but obviously we'd all rather have a gas power truck, gas power car. I love the gas power, man. I love the rumble in the truck, but you know what? I'm not gonna lie. The new Charger Scat Pack is basically going to accelerate faster than the old HELLCAT. Even with like a drag wheel on it or a good tire. Like, I don't know if it's going to accelerate faster than a red eye or anything of that nature, but it is going to accelerate faster than a HELLCAT. So on the street, the new Scat Pack is going to be pretty much hard to beat. Maybe some couple Teslas, obviously Plaid, and there's obviously vehicles out there that are going to be able to beat it and stuff, guys. But it's going to be hard to beat if you're going stoplight to stoplight with them, unless you're lining up in a drag race in the street and going to Mexico and having all that kind of fun and, you know, all that stuff. Then may be different. But if you're going street light to street light and you're lining up and you want to have some fun, yeah, there's the Scat Pack right next to you. The 670 horsepower all-wheel drive Scat Pack is gonna crap on you, so you have 1,000 horsepower vehicle to the wheels. Your rear-wheel drive Mustang or even an old HELLCAT, you're going to get smoked because of all-wheel drive. And for some reason, I noticed, I don't know if anyone else notices this, for some reason, these all-wheel drive, like, EV vehicles, they don't really spin. They just go. I don't get it. Like, an all-wheel drive, like, I don't know how I just don't understand. I mean, they're heavier. They're still planting all that torque to the wheels, but for some reason, a gas vehicle can still spin all four wheels, like me in my truck, four-wheel drive launching. I can spin all four of these wheels easily. It's going to spin all four every time. But an EV, for whatever reason, doesn't spin them. It just goes. So that's a pretty cool thing about the EVs for whatever reason. I don't know if that's to do with the torque management. Who knows? But they just go. Maybe it's the planting of the wheels of the motors. Like I said, I don't know. It's pretty cool, guys. But that's what I got for you today in the EV charger category, guys. We are planning on hitting the track as soon as we get in the break-in mileage. As of this video right now, at the end of the day today, this thing's going to have about 350 on it, so we're almost there. We need 500. So I plan on hitting the track as soon as plan on going to the track this weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all 3 days I can hit the track. I want to go the best day and improve my PB, make sure everything's copacetic, but we got to break this trans in first, guys. So stay tuned for all the good videos. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like, comment, subscribe. Talk to you in the next one. Peace.